When we're removing bigger branches on a tree, you actually want to make 3 different cuts. Now this branch here is not that big. I can hold it up by hand, but if you're cutting larger branches that you can't really hold up, they're too heavy, you want to make 3 cuts. The first cut, you want to make, the saw is getting kind of dull. You want to cut in about 1/3 of the way on the first cut. Then you want to make a second cut here. So then on the branch, sometimes they'll pull off and they'll tear this bark off, and if you cut up by the trunk of the tree, it'll tear the bark off the branch and down into the trunk of the tree. So you don't want to do that. So you want to make cut number 1, cut 2, and cut 3. You don't want to cut way up next to the trunk. You want to come out what's called, there's a collar around every branch, and you want to cut on the outside of it. Doing that stimulates chemicals in the tree and will help this heal up the best. If you cut too close, you cut those chemicals and things off, and you can actually get rot in there. It makes the tree susceptible to disease and things like that. So you want to cut it outside the collar. And that gives your plant the best chance of healing up well. And that's the way I've done it for years, and I've never lost a tree. So there, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and make a comment below. Thanks for watching.